Hey guys, it's jdeeuh and welcome back to my channel that I post on once every maybe like 5 months, you know. These are my favorite videos to watch, which is why I film one every single year for as long as I can remember. It's gonna be my what I got for Christmas 2019 video. Quick disclaimer, not trying to brag. Everyone says that. I think you guys get the memo by now, but yeah. Honestly, I don't really have anything to say except for I miss making videos and hopefully I will find more time to make videos. I'm a senior in high school now, and senior year, you guys know how that goes. So I will try to find more time to make videos. Hopefully travel videos, because that's what I like to do, but we'll see. I'm not going to go through these in any specific order. I'm just going to grab stuff, which you can pretty much see everything over here. But I'm just going to grab stuff and get started. So I'm going to start with this. I got these earrings from my mom. They're from Macy's in case you guys want to get them yourself. But they're like little hearts with rhinestones on them. You can't really see. I'll try to do a close-up if I remember. But it's Elliot Denori. Yeah, they're super cute. I love them. Oh, that reminds me. I also got my doubles pierced on Christmas Eve, so that kind of was like a Christmas gift, Christmas Eve gift. So yeah, got earrings and then my doubles. The next thing that I got is my big gift, and I got an Apple Watch. So I got the Silver Series 5, and I have it on my wrist right now. It's upside down, but yeah, just black band Apple Watch. I got this from my dad and my stepmom, so thank you guys for that. Next thing I got was from my mom, and it's these Tory Burch sandals. They are just like the plain black ones. I don't know if you guys if these are popular where you guys live, but everyone at my school has these. They're just black. I don't know the name of the design, but I'll try to find it out. Oh wait. Perfect black Miller calf leather. That's what they are. And they come in this cool box, which I like a lot, and it comes with this like bag in here. And these are a size 7 in case anyone was wondering if you were. Anyways, my card is full, so I had to delete stuff. Hopefully I deleted enough. But the next thing that I got was from my cousin and my mom. Part of my cousin's gift is just in the bag, which is broken, that I just found out, so that's pretty great. Actually, wait. Actually, yeah, it's broken. Yeah, it's okay, because I have another one of these. But I got the bomb.com trio. So I got mango, coconut, and birthday. So far I've used only the mango one, but I love it. It's like super pretty and like glossy looking on your lips. It stays on for a really long time, which is nice, and I love the smell of all of them. So I'm excited to try them all out. And the packaging is super cute, which is a plus. Then my cousin got me an eyelash curler, and it came with mascara, but I just need the eyelash curler because mine was broken, like all the black part, the like rubbery stuff, that was just like falling apart. It was really gross, really old. It was also $1, but that's okay. So the next thing that I got was money from my aunt, but I took the money and I went to Lululemon and got myself stuff. So I woke up at 6 a.m. to go to Lulu, and well, actually I woke up at 5:30 to get there at 6 because they're having their Boxing Day sale, and then Sweat Collective gets like a percentage off. So like I thought it was a really good time to get stuff, and I've been wanting more Lulu stuff anyways, so it kind of just worked out. Let me just tell you, I saved over $100 today, which makes me feel very proud. I spent a total of $167.36, and I got 3 things, which is pretty good for Lulu. I'll just show you guys what I got, and I don't know why I'm talking about the prices. The first thing I got were, let me get this out of the way, these gray like striped leggings. I don't know what the pattern you'd call them, and they have this like cross on the top. I don't know if you can see that. I'll show you guys in a try on so you can actually see what it looks like, but it has a cross pattern, and these are the Align high-rise crop 21 inches. Yeah, because 21 feet wouldn't make any sense. Wow, I'm so dumb. 21 inches cross waist, special edition. Wow. They are size 2. That's the size that I am in all my leggings. I'm size 2. I'm also about 5'3", 125 pounds, in case you guys are wondering, in case you guys want to go out and get yourself Lulu stuff, maybe for the first time. I also liked mine not all the way full length because I kind of have shorter legs, so the cropped ones fit almost full length, which is what I like. So in case you guys are buying Lulus. These are originally 98, but then they were on sale for 69, and then 69. But then I got them for $51.75 with my Sweat Collective discount. So yeah, those are the first pair of leggings that I got. Then I got another pair of leggings. Again, they're my favorite kind. They're the line crop, 21 inches, size 2. These were originally 88, but I got them on sale for 69. And they're this like, not necessarily navy blue, but this like dark teal color. I don't know how you describe it. But I've been wanting a blue pair for so long because I've only had gray. I have 2 gray ones, 2 black ones, so I kind of wanted to get colored ones. The last thing that I got from Lulu was this jacket, and it's just a navy color jacket. This is the only jacket I've actually ever bought from Lulu. It's my first one, so go me, I guess. It's the Outrun the Elements half zip in a size 2. So I take a quick break to tell my dog to stop barking. I don't even know where I was. But I got this maroon jacket. I really love the fit of it. And it has like the thumb holes. And it has a pocket that I didn't know about until I got home. So that was a nice little surprise. I guess next we'll go through this box of stuff that I have. My batteries didn't die, so we're gonna go super quick. The first thing in the box, this wasn't all in the box together, by the way, it was all separate gifts, is this GoPro hand and wrist strap. I recently got a GoPro over the summer and I don't have any accessories for it, so my mom got me this. The box is like destroyed. I don't know what happened to it, but yeah, I got this. Then I got this hair scarf. I've been really into hair scarves lately. This one's super long. It's super pretty. It has flowers on it. My mom got me this because she knows that I've been into them, and now I'm excited to actually do my hair for once, which I could have put in now, but I didn't. So then from my cousin, who was my Secret Santa, I didn't talk about this earlier, but we had Secret Santa with my family, and my cousin got me. I got these Christmas socks to add to my collection. It's really bad. I think I have like 40 pairs of Christmas socks now. It's really bad. I totally forgot that I got these, but I got rainbow sandals. I already have a pair just like these, except mine have the braided strap instead. And my mom was like, oh, they look old and janky and whatnot, so she got me a new pair. I'm excited to wear these because I love wearing my rainbows. They're my favorite shoes. I definitely recommend getting rainbows if you're looking for good sandals. Then one of my favorite gifts that I got, I don't know why I love it so much, I just was so surprised by it, was some metal straws. I had this on my Amazon wish list, and for some reason or somehow my mom ended up seeing my Amazon wish list and she got me metal straws. So there's like bendy ones, not like bendy, but there's like bent ones and straight ones and skinny and thick ones, and it comes with like all these thingies for your mouth, and I'm just so excited to use them. I don't really use straws that much in general, but now if I do, I got metal ones. The next gift I got is kind of weird. I don't really know if it works. I tried it and I guess it kind of works, but it's Active Heat Muscle Balm, because I got some messed up muscles and I'm always hurting, and my mom knows that. So she got me this. It has a pepper on it. It smells really weird. Basically, my camera died. So we're on a different camera. We're on my actual like old DSLR. But I was talking about what was in the box, and the last things that are in the box are these face razors. I'm a pretty hairy gal. I'll admit it. My face is hairy. I am hairy. I definitely have a mustache every now and then. So this is nice to have just to like clean up my face if I want to be smooth and like looking good. And then the last thing in here is oil blotting sheets, because I'm also a very oily gal. So that's great. So you know when you guys say that you like something, like it could have been a long time ago, a couple years ago, a few months ago, whatever. You just tell your family that you like something, and then they think you're obsessed with it and you need every possible version of that. Well, that happened to me. I told my family I liked Victoria's Secret Bombshell, and that is, you know, what I got. I got the actual Victoria's Secret Bombshell perfume from my dad. So that was kind of nice to have since I don't have like an actual perfume anymore. Mine's all gone. So I have the actual perfume version. And then I got the mini version from my dad as well. This is just like the body mist. God, it smells so good. Oh. And then from my mom, I got Victoria's Secret Bombshell body mist in the bigger version, along with the Victoria's Secret Bombshell holiday fragrance one. This smells just like another scent, and I can't put my finger on it. Is that the saying? I can't put my finger on what it is. So if you know like something that smells just like this, please let me know in the comments because it's driving me nuts. I also got the Victoria's Secret Bombshell lotion from my dad. So I have the perfume, the lotion, the mini body mist, and the large body mist. I really like this lotion. It is so smooth. So if you're looking for a nice lotion, Victoria's Secret actually has pretty good ones. And then from my cousin, I got more Victoria's Secret stuff. I got this spray. Oh, it has writing on it. It says Velvet Petals Frosted. And then she also got me the Pink Confetti Bath & Body Works lotion. Next we'll move on to this bag that I got. This wasn't in the bag before, but it's from my mom. I got white Nike socks. I wanted Nike socks to wear with my Air Forces, but I'm probably just gonna wear these ones to track since they are the like low ones, which is good because I need socks for track anyways. Then I got, of course, some more Christmas socks to add to my very large collection. I got these ones that say warm wishes, and then these ones that are just penguins. You know, I have a million Christmas socks now. It's actually really bad. And then the last things that are in my bag and the last things that I got from my cousin are these mugs. They're just like Christmas mugs. There's two different ones, and they have candy, caramels, butterscotch, I don't know, inside of them, but I got two of them. The next thing that I got, I'm actually going to exchange. It's this Kendra Scott bracelet. I guess I'll just show you guys. With love. Aw. Shade here for mom. I didn't even see that. That's so cute. The box is so fun. But I got this bracelet to match one of my necklaces that I have. And the only thing, like, it's perfect. I love it. But it's a gold chain instead of a rose gold chain, and then the necklace I have is rose gold. So we're just gonna exchange it so that they match each other. Okay, the next thing that I got, I'm so excited for. Like, also again, probably one of my favorite gifts. It's these LED lights. If you are on TikTok, you definitely have seen these before. Literally everyone on TikTok has them. I really don't know where I'm gonna put them. Maybe like behind my bed or around this window that I have right here. And I'm pretty sure that this is the last thing that I got. Again, like, it was something really small, but kind of is important to me. And it is this photo album. It's just a purple, plain photo album. Literally, like, nothing crazy about it. But I recently printed out a lot of my pictures, like 500 to be exact. And now I have a place to put all of them. Anyways, that is all that I got for Christmas this year. I love everything that I got, and I'm excited to start wearing some of the new clothes and jewelry and stuff that I got. I hope you guys had an awesome Christmas and you got everything that was on your Christmas wish list. So this will probably be my last video of the year. Who knows? Let's hope not. It probably will be. So I just want to say thank you guys for such a great year. I actually made some of my most favorite videos this year over the summer when I actually was making videos. I've had so much fun with this channel, even though I don't post often. I love to just get my camera out every now and then, film something that I want to film and I like to film, editing it and then uploading it and getting sweet comments from you guys. I just want to say thank you guys so much for that. The support that I still get, surprisingly, even with me not posting, it means a lot to me. So thank you guys so much for a great 2019, and hopefully 2020 I make more and better videos. I'll be traveling a lot, so watch out for those travel videos. But yeah, thank you guys for such a great year, and I will see you guys in 2020. Bye!